Hi and welcome. In the last session, we have seen business content and how to import the business content from the semantic onboarding under the business content, so content network samples. So I tried again, I was getting the same error. Uh, so I was not able to import the business content in my system to show what objects will be there and all. But I want to show you something like in case if it works in your system. You see, I was getting the error like something. Let's see, input summary. It's error. Let's go back again. Basically, it was saying my system is not supported. So cannot be created. You do not have permissions to create the space. Please check your space permissions and then import. Actually, I created space like space, and then also I'm not able to because I'm in like this is my trial version. If I go back to my the one where I have all the accesses, then there also I tried to import, and it was saying same thing like import failed. We could not import the package because it is not supported on your system. Whereas in the trial version, it's saying you have not created the space and all, because in the trial version, if I go to my space management, I don't have access to create space because it's a trial version and we don't have full access. Whereas in my other system, I have full access. I have created the space and I have assigned my user and I deployed it. Then I tried to import, but still, I think it's giving error. I was not able to import. But I want to show you one thing here. Like when we go into sample data content, so under the overview section, it was giving all the features and what areas are there under this sample content and all. So here, let's open the other. Here you see create a space, that all this is the first step, then generate time data. Close this. Let's open the above one, which was available for Euro region. Here you can see there is one more. Install the data product SAP Datasphere sample content for data from marketplace. Basically, suppose in case if you install this sample content, which contains this finance, HR, sales related tables. If you want the data, it says I install data product SAP Datasphere sample content for FI, HR, SD. Let's go and see under the data marketplace. It says from the data marketplace. So from here, if you go to data marketplace landing page, or if you go to my data products here, so here you see nothing because I don't have anything. Let's go to landing page and search for, like, you can request for data products, but here I don't have in this system. But if I go to sample system which is provided by SAP A, so let's go to landing page. Here you see feature data products. There are many data products provided here, or you can go to my data products. Here nothing. Let's go to search option. You see here, like, there are many results here which are provided. So let's say I the sample package we were talking about is for sales, HR, and finance, right? Let's select application sales. So it says some sales sample data for SAP Datasphere. If I open that, you see like it has all the, in case if you are successful in importing this content, you might get many tables there. and you need the data, right? You can see here under sample data, you have, like, okay, here business partner data, they have provided some. This is basically some for sample company like Western Bikes. They provide, you can export that to Excel in case later if you want to deploy the table and load the data. And also they have provided sales order item data, sales order preview. So they have given sample data here. And also, like, want to show you one more thing. What will be installed? Like you see here, I'm not able to maximize this, but it will show you what type of open this image or yeah. Let's open a new page and see. Okay, I'm not able to zoom. That's okay. Because basically here it's showing I think sales order data table. What fields are there? Sales order item, I think this is. Here it shows again the entity relationship between those table. Like I think sales order is associated with sales order item on business partner again. No, this data, this table is associated with some other. By it will give the entity relationship model as part of this content. I think we have seen that when you deploy that entity relationship model, you can see all the relations between those tables. Later, what you can do is you can once you downloaded data from here, sample data, you can upload the data into those tables, uh, and based on this entity relationship, you can create graphical views and you can join this, like suppose sales order with sales order item, and then with business partner, and then from sales order item with some other like product or these things. And here you can see only three, but there are multiple tables. I think those are part of, let's go back to, let's say, because even FI and HR tables also part of that package. Let's select finance, and you can see the sample data here, and it says data product contains the 18 following agent elements: products, product text, product category hierarchy, category text, customer text, customer hierarchy. So all these tables will come as part of this content. In case you are able to import successfully, then you can deploy the table which you want, or while importing itself, you have options deploy and import. So GL account type, text, hierarchy, profit center text, financial transactions. And here you can see the finance related entity relationship model. Basically, you can check the relationship between those tables. And here the above 18 table they mentioned, right? So they are providing sample data here. Let's say financial transactions sample data. So they have given some 1,000 records, or click on show all. It will open in full table. You can see 1,000 records. So this is the sample data which you can use. And let's see for HR what they have given. Let's go back and let's say HR and people engagement. To go inside, I think they have given employee performance, employee personal data, position, head count, location history, text, HR manager, job and job text, job classification, all these different kind of things, and the relationship between those tables by using entity relationship model. And you can see the data. So you can download this data in case if you are able to successfully import, and you can deploy the tables and you can upload this data, and you can create some like graphical views, and on top of that you can create some analytical model. You can you can do some experiment with this data. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show, because I was not able to import, but I was getting error both in my trial version and my other system. So yeah, that's about data marketplace. You can get this data from here. That's all for this session. Thank you. I'll see you in the next session.